Ow! Hello, it's me. Wait. I'm giving you banana peel. Ah. Hello. Probably you're just running slowly, and you get and your bestie's murderer, and you just walk slowly for the whole entire round, and she kills you. No, I do not want to. What is this? Object does not exist. What about this? Here you go. Ah! Can't spray paint you. Here you go. What about if I do random numbers? Oh look, it's a Roblox thing. I'm gonna spray paint that. Bro, no, make me a random. Oh my gosh, what if I do this? Oh, look at that. Oh no. What if I put 99999? What was that? What if I put 0000? That? What if it's scam numbers? Still nothing. Okay, I'm not gonna use that. How about banana peel? I'm going on a trip on my favorite rocket ship. The little Einsteins. We're going on a trip on my favorite rocket ship. Whee! You finally get speed coil. Probably you only have one use only, because if you get killed, it will be your last time use. Server shoots you. That did not go as planned. Server shoots you. No, why? But what am I doing? Am I getting abducted? Okay. Ah! I'm getting flung. You Sheriff shoots you. No, why was this keep happening? I left smoke on you. Probably Sheriff shoots you. One. I'm gonna eat banana. I ate banana. Here's the banana peel. Here's my popsicle. I bought my popsicle. It's fuel. Woohoo! Red Bull gives you wings. Red Bull.
you go. Special delivery. Special delivery. Who left the banana peel here? Ow! Delivery! Ow. Thank you for the banana peel yet. Here. No, that's my tower! Banana disappear? I keep banana. Belong my tower!
Red Bull gives you wings. Very late.
Oh, and half this.
And look.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Get out of my freaking yard.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Shoot. And 3, 2, 1. No, try again. Let's shoot in 3, 2, 1.
Why, banana? It gives you banana peel. Bye-bye. Now advertising the new Bloxy Cola. It has brand new flavors. And plus it can make you...
Bloxy gives you wings. Banana peel. I'd be like, let me just take a new sip of this. Bloxy gives you wings. Okay, bye-bye. No.
Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Smash the notifications if you want to be alerted when you want to see me. Well, if you want to see one of my videos again. I hope you enjoyed the video.